Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Mailchimp account, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.mailchimp.com and press enter. Once the Mailchimp homepage loads, look for the login button in the upper right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you need to enter your registered email address. Type your email address into the designated field. Next, move to the password field. Enter your password carefully. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. This link will guide you through the password recovery process. Once your email and password are entered correctly, click the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Mailchimp dashboard. In case of an error, verify your email and password. Make any necessary corrections and try logging in again. Once logged in, you can easily access your campaigns, audiences, and reports. If you use multiple accounts, ensure you select the correct one from the drop-down menu. Congratulations, you are now logged into your Mailchimp account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.